Hey man, what's up?
Hey, I actually have a problem. I'm going out of town and I don't have anyone to watch my cat.
Well, I can watch them for you.
Just make sure that you give the cat fresh food and water every single day. And whatever you do, don't forget to change the cat litter. It'll get bad.
Yeah, it sounds easy enough. I'll just call you if I have any questions. Enjoy your trip.
Yeah, I'll try. Thanks again. Bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Yeah, hey man, can you explain how I'm supposed to empty the cat litter? I've never done this before, so...
Oh yeah, just dig down as deep as you can into the cat litter, and then scoop it up and lift it above the box and just shake off all the extra cat litter.
So that's how you do it?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds simple enough. Okay, thanks man.
No problem. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay then. Hello?
Hey, I forgot to tell you, I left the cat litter scooper in the garage, so you should probably grab that before you start emptying.
Oh. Oh, come on, that's disgusting.
Hello?
Oh.
Are you there?